multiple cloud bursts had led to complete inundation in several parts of Kolkata. Several parts of Kolkata are completely submerged underwater. Unprecedented scenes out here. Roads are completely underwater. Currently reporting from Kalikapur area in Kolkata, which is an upscale area. Yet this is how it looks like. More than 300 mm water rainfall has been recorded in some parts of the city, primarily Goria and surrounding areas of Goria. There are about 7 people who have reportedly lost their lives because of electrocution. I am here in Kalikapur, and this is one such area where the electrocution has happened. Look here, very heart-wrenching scenes. A man, roughly about 40-year-old, he was out and about, roughly around 6 in the morning, and when he was crossing this very area, and possibly he touched this, and that's how he got electrocuted. The cycle is still lying there. The umbrella which was stuck in the carrier is still there. The man is gone. Well, the deaths have been reportedly due to electrocution, and CESC is responsible for power supply across the city. If there has been a loose wire end here at this very junction, it is the responsibility of the CESC, and of course they must answer as how there had been a lapse because we did not get any warning from the Met Department. I don't know what the Met Department does. Met Department did not issue any kind of a warning to alert people of Kolkata there is deluge expected, there is massive rainfall expected, and even if they have communicated, the communication had been so ineffective that the result had been this. I mean, if there is a loose wire, who should be held accountable? Reporting from Kalikapur here in Kolkata, this is Tamal Shah for News 2 NTT.